Good morning, welcome back to the Beautiful Things channel. Today I'm going to share a super duper quick tip with you. How many times have you reached for a cushion pad and it's a slightly older one, it's got a bit squished, it's got a bit, you know, not a lot of life left in it, but actually as far as the square size of it's concerned, it's too big. I'm going to show you how to really easily make it the right size. Now I'm going to do this on my overlocker, but you could also do it on a sewing machine. So the first thing you want to do is get hold of the corners of your cushion and really give it a whack. And what it will do is it will move the stuffing down. If I do this here, you can see it's moved the stuffing down to about here, which is a good 2.5 to 3 inches down. What I'm going to do is just place it straight on my overlocker, and I am going to whiz off 1.5 inches from that side, just straight along here. So I've used a black thread, so you can see I've chopped that off, and now my cushion is looking somewhat rectangular. Now I'm going to do exactly the same. I'm just going to take the opposite side, and again I'm going to give it a really good whack, move that stuffing down inside the cushion pad and slice off another 1.5 inches. So my cushion pad was an 18-inch pad, and now it's just measured it with a tape measure perfectly a 16-inch pad. It's a lot more puffy and it's much more useful. So if you've got those big and stretchy, useless cushion pads, shrink them. Super easy. Hope you enjoyed that top tip. I will see you again soon. Bye.